where simplicity meets warmth, where less truly becomes more. In today's video, we're exploring Scandinavian living room ideas that bring balance, comfort, and effortless style into your home. Scandinavian design is all about creating a calm, inviting space filled with light, neutral tones, and natural textures. Think soft whites, warm beiges, and muted grays, colors that make every room feel open and breathable. Start with a clean base, white or light-colored walls that allow your furniture and decor to shine. Then, layer in cozy elements, a textured rug, plush throws, and a few natural wood accents to bring warmth to the minimal aesthetic. Lighting is everything. Large windows, sheer curtains, and gentle diffused light create that signature airy feel Scandinavians are known for. Add candles or simple floor lamps for a soft glow in the evenings, creating hygge, that special Danish word for cozy togetherness. When it comes to furniture, choose simple, functional pieces with clean lines. A neutral sofa, a minimalist coffee table, and a few plants will instantly make the space feel grounded yet alive. And don't forget the personal touch, a favorite artwork, a ceramic vase, or a woven basket. Scandinavian design celebrates authenticity, so let your personality shine subtly through each detail. Whether you're refreshing your entire living room or just adding small touches, the Scandinavian style reminds us that beauty lies in simplicity and comfort comes from harmony.